All right, besties, let's glow up together in real time. Grab a mirror and match my steps. Don't overthink it, just follow along. Step 1. Prep. Splash water, pat dry, and moisturize. If you're oily, choose gel. If you're dry, choose cream. Add SPF if it's daytime. Tap a hydrating lip balm so lips are soft by the end. Step 2. Prime with purpose. Shiny T-zone? Use a pore blurring primer there. Dull cheeks? Use a glowy primer on high points. We're mixing finishes for skin that looks like skin. Step 3. Even, don't erase. Dot a light foundation or skin tint on cheeks, forehead, chin. Use a damp sponge or brush. Press, don't drag. Keep the center covered, fade the edges. You should still see freckles and life. Step 4. Strategic conceal. A tiny dot under the inner corner, one on outer shadow, one for any redness. Let it set 10 seconds, then tap it in. Bright, not cakey. Step 5. Cream warmth. Sweep cream bronzer where the sun would hit. Temples, cheek tops, a kiss on the nose, jaw softly. Blend up and out, instant vacation. Step 6. Blush that breathes. Smile slightly, tap cream blush on apples, then lift toward temples. If you overdo it, press your sponge over to soften. Step 7. Soft set. Press a whisper of translucent powder under eyes, around nostrils, and center forehead. Leave the glow on the cheeks. Set only where you crease. Step 8. Brows but chill. Brush up. Fill just the sparse spots with hair-like strokes. Lock with clear gel for that fresh, awake look. Step 9. Eyes that open. Sweep a taupe or soft brown through the crease. Smudge a bit along the lash line. Instant depth. Curl lashes, 2 light coats of mascara. Step 10. Lip harmony. Line softly in your natural shade. Tap in a nude or rosy lipstick. Finish with a dab of gloss in the center. Step 11. Finishing touch. Misty setting spray. Fan it, don't touch. Then, tap a tiny liquid highlighter on the highest points. Cheekbones, brow bone, inner corner. Last step, you. Tilt your head, smile. Beauty isn't a filter. It's how you feel when you see yourself. You did that. Save this and mirror match me anytime you need instant pretty.